Thank you for tuning into this video. If you haven't already, subscribe, click the bell to get notifications so you won't miss any of my awesome videos. So this is a cleaning video of me and my darling children helping me in different parts of the house. Don't let this speed cleaning video fool you now. This one right here, she have lazy bones. We have to make her clean. We have to make her get in there and do something. But I was like that too, young coming up. I didn't, even up until recently, I still don't like cleaning. I don't like it. I just do it because it needs to be done and I have to. People that like cleaning, I feel like they are the ones that's in the profession of cleaning. Maybe that's just my thinking now. Don't quote me on that. And don't come for me in the comment section on that now. If you love cleaning and you're not in that profession, then hey, more power to you. For dusting, I really like using these mitts here because they really allow the dust to cling to them. I have allergies and I just need something the dust is gonna really stick to so that I can really remove it out of the space. And these blinds clearly needed some dusting. Shama is attempting to fold Sadia's clothes and put them away, but every time she puts them away, Sadia goes back and pull them back out and then causes her to have to refold them again. And clearly little Miss Sadia is enjoying herself while we're doing all the work. The Bible tells us to train our kids in the way that they should go, and that includes every area of their life, things that they need to know to help them survive out in the real world. And I think a lot of times a lot of parents try to or want to clean up without their kids being around, but you know, that's cool sometimes, but sometimes you got to bring them in there and you have to really show them. And I know sometimes it may seem like they're in the way, but they're learning in the process. You'll be surprised at how much they're actually picking up and how much they're actually retaining, even when it doesn't seem like it. So I really enjoy that. Shama and Sadia, they both like to help. They really are helpers, and I encourage them to help when they do ask. Sometimes it's like, okay, no, not today or not now, because you really need to get things done, but you have to also take out the time to allow them to help you, you know, and just, you know, reward them and thank them and tell them they're doing such a great job, and that will encourage them to want to do it more and more. And make sure you start when they're young, because when they get older, them jokers get lazy and it's hard. It's hard to rebuke a lazy spirit. So I'm just praying and believing God that these two here, my two little ones, that they continue on this path of wanting to help, taking the initiative and just getting in there and help. And like even Shama, she wants to help me cook. She just wants to, you know, get in there and do a little bit of everything. So I'm hoping and praying and believing that she will continue on that path, her and her sister.